summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What's going on, my mighty fine people, my Ohana, my aunties, cousins, all of that good stuff. Shout out to the Money Squad. Also, shout out to everyone who's rocking with me, from continued subscribers to new subscribers. I don't like to say subscriber, say family members. Thank you for rocking with Emoneyshoes. Now, you always know, gotta throw the shout out to I Am That Dude, because the homie always hooking me with the intro. He always hit me up, chopping me up. We still got to get together, have y'all check out some of his music. We also got Money Run Clothing. Use that code, do what you like, 20% off that order. You also got Just Traps brand. Use eMoney, you get 20% off that. Hope to get that video out tomorrow so you can see what that merch looking like, because I also got stuff from the homie SNOOCHS Customs as well. So go check all of them out. I will be putting it in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out my other family members, PM Kicks and 313 Retro Queen. Go check them out, subscribe. PM gonna do a giveaway at 1K. 313, she's gonna give a giveaway at 200 at 500, and of course I'm gonna do a pretty big one at 2K. And then also, you haven't seen, I also have a quick strike giveaway that I'm gonna go live next week. Basically, what you have to do, you have to be following me, 313 PM Kicks. Also, bring in one person and have them follow us on all, and then just hit done. Please put who the person you brought in. I probably just got to make a follow-up to that. And the giveaway will be done randomly live next week. I'll be sending you the shoe with the receipt. You can do whatever you want to. Use it to another purchase. Get your money back. Wear them. Give away. Do whatever you feel. That's just how I roll. It's just something to give back to the people. Now, with all that long-winded stuff, let's jump right into this review. I don't do all review of shoes, but you can see here I got a couple of Jordan 1 boxes. So what we got here on the left, Jordan 1 City of Flight All-Stars versus the Jordan 1 Crimson Tint. I'm slowly warming up to ones. I know. Got your stamp around. Got this. I got these from Base. What I got them for? Right there. I got them for $116. You can see inside. So what makes these better than the others? Shall we find out? Size 10.5, Fisher colorway, black, crimson tint, white, 160 of them things. I always like to do the left shoe. Right, we got that one here. Then this one got a 10. FTL, black, metallic gold, 160. I done wore these a couple times, just never did the video. If I get the thing. Now, you see, got the lace bag on there. I don't know what is up with this green one. It's just like way out there. Green tails. I guess you can go with the AKA colors, but you guys tell me what. This is the sleeper shoe. I still think it's the sleeper shoe, but as you can look, both of these shoes pretty much are the same for us, the materials. This one is, of course, etched in gold. I'm gonna change the laces out of these gold lace tips. This one is your black. Turn around here. Screw it, we get side by side so you can really see. What do you guys think? The tongue can go with black and gold versus crimson. The toe box, of course, you got leather here. You just got the material, soft material here. Right, you see the bottom, the icy blue. And then you got this pink. What do you guys think? I gotta clean that because that's unacceptable. It's going to end up being yellow. Shame on me. Flag on the play. Now if you turn around on the back, and then once you go on the side. So this one, for me, I went 10 because it felt better. They ran out of 10, so I went 10 and a half. I should have went 10. It would have been right on it. But you see that? Then we go inside. This is the only green you actually got in the shoe. Right? You got this part right here. And then this is a dope part of this shoe because you got the city of Los Angeles inside of that shoe. So again, I just do a comparison. You gotta leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know why is one better than the other, and we can chop it up in the comment section. And we can always have a agree to disagree segment. So again, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, friend. We moving to 2K. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Deuces.